everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, it is a fun Friday video and I'm going to show you what I do to make my crunchy hair. Crunchy curly hair. So I actually am using the products that Jam Beauty Jessica Braun used in her recent hair video. I wanted to try that out. It's a little crunchier than I normally like it, but I'm willing to give it a try because I like the looks of it. Anyways, if you want to see how I get this, I am going to go wash my hair with my Deva Curl. Now, in hers, she used the Delight, which is the light version of the Deva Curl. I don't have the light version, but I have the regular original version, so that's what I'm going to use. And I will put a picture of the shampoo right here and the conditioner right here, and they are both the original ones. And then I will come back and show you how I style it and all the products I use to style it with. So if you're interested in this look, stay tuned. Okay guys, I am back. I have shampooed my hair, as you can see, and I used the No-POO shampoo from Deva Curl and the No-POO conditioner from Deva Curl, which I showed you in the beginning. And I use, this is a, I don't even know what it's called. It's one of those turban things from Walmart. It was $5. $5. I know Jessica in hers said that she used, I don't know, even remember which one she used, but it was like 20 bucks, I think. And that she used to use the turban something that was $10, but she said it got stinky. Well, mine doesn't get stinky. Mine smells like shampoo. So, besides, for $5, I'll just throw it away and get a new one if I can't. Because she said she bleached them and everything and they still got smelly. But anyways, $5 at Walmart. And I think it's the only kind they have. There's not like a bunch of different brands. I found this one like on one of those hangy down things in the middle of the aisle. And I thought, ooh, $5, I can do that. And I only have one. So I wash it once a week or so because I don't wash my hair every day. Anyway, moving on. Okay, so this is what we get. As you can see, I'm not going to brush it. And I went downstairs and put clothes on and stuff. So it's soaked up a lot of the water out of it. So I'm going to be trying to do this. I'm going to be standing up and sitting back down so I can talk to you. But I want to show you the products I'm using. I am going to use the styling products that she used, but I'm not going to use them exactly like she used them. Because I think they're good products, but I kind of felt like my hair was a little stiffer, crunchier than I like. I like it to be a little softer, more. It just felt really dry, and I was afraid, oh no, this is going to be terrible on my hair. It looked good though, right? So anyways, we're going to do it pretty much the same way. I'm actually just going to add less of the hairspray because I'm not sure which the culprit was, but I think it might have been the hairspray that made it really stiff. So I'm going to, anyways, we're going to use, this is the Marc Anthony True Professional Strictly Curls. And I will have everything linked below because I don't remember how much it was, but it was really reasonable. It was much less than the Deva Curl stuff. But she also used the Deva Curl Light or D-Light, and I used the regular because I already had the regular and I wasn't going to go out and buy new. And I did buy the Neutrogena, like the stripping shampoo, and the Aussie 3-in-1 moist deep conditioning to try. I haven't tried them yet though because I hadn't been wearing my hair with the Deva Curl, so I didn't have any buildup on it. So in a couple weeks I will try out the stripping stuff. But with my hair being lightened so much, I don't really want to strip it very often. So anyways, I'm hoping that it doesn't feel like, because I already did it once and then I washed this out just now and it doesn't feel like it left any residue. So hopefully we're good. Anyways, I'm going to put this on my hair now, so I'll show you what I do. I'm going to flip my hair upside down and put it in my hand, and then I'm just going to put it all over my hair. Last time I did it like she did it, which was half and half, but it was really, really stiff. So I'm thinking maybe I used too much. So anyways, I'm gonna stand up and try to bend over while where I'm still in the camera. Okay, so I'm gonna put some in my hand, quite a bit, because I'm only gonna use it once. So that's how much I got. And this is the Marc Anthony Strictly Curls. And I'm gonna flip my hair upside down and put it in just from my ears down. Start at the bottom. So now I'm going to use the Mousse. And I will have this linked below so that you can get it. And I'm going to use quite a bit of it. Where's the camera? There it is. That much. And I'm also going to do this in the bottom first. And then I go up the sides. And then I scrunch it into the rest. Then I will flip my hair over and then add a little to the, I think that's what's making it stiff, because I can feel the stickiness. My hair did not feel sticky though once it was dry, but I can feel the stickiness of the mousse. Anyways, don't worry about because I'm going to flip it upside down to dry it here in just a second. Now, this is where she would spray it with this. I'm not going to spray it with that till the end, because I felt like I said, it was too sticky. I mean, it was too stiff. So I will just spray that once, because she sprayed it now before she blow dried it, and then also at the end, and I'm just going to do it at the end. I think I let it be in the turban too long, because it seems like it really is pretty dry. Anyways, we're going to blow dry it, and this is my blow dryer. It is a Revlon one. It was less than $40, I believe, and it comes with a diffuser with it. She had a ridiculously priced one, but you know, to each their own. Anyways, I'm going to put this on full blast, high and hot, turn my head upside down, and dry it for a couple of minutes. So I'll show you the beginning, and then I will cut the rest out because it's going to be loud and take too long. And then I'll come back. Okay, it's partially dry. Now I am going to go put on some makeup and let my hair just kind of air dry a little bit. And then I'm going to come back and dry it a little bit more and add the hairspray. And then you guys will see it. It'll be done. I don't know, it doesn't look as good as it did last time, but it's not done yet, so we'll see. I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. It's probably been maybe an hour. And I am going to now spray my hair with the hairspray. And this is the Bedhead Masterpiece Massive Shine Strong Hold Hairspray. And I just got this little one because it's expensive. And she said in her video that it goes on sale like every other month to wait for the sale. But I wanted to try it out, so I got this little one. And so we're going to try it and see. I didn't really notice much shine, much extra shine. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and spray it, and then we're going to finish blow drying it because it's not dry. My hair takes a while to dry though, so. Now I'm going to turn it upside down and spray it one more time. Okay, now I'm going to blow dry it one more time just to finish drying it because it's not dry. Okay, that's it. It's done. It's dry. It's in my eye. There. It's dry. And so from this point is when I would style it. And I almost never wear it down. But I could wear it down. But I would, like, the other day when I asked you guys if you wanted me to do this video, I just had this little red clip right here. She used a bobby pin in hers, but I don't have any bobby pins that are long enough to hold my hair, to tame it. So anyways, this is it. This is my crunchy hair styling. This is how I do it. What do you think? I like it. I like it better today than I did the other day. It's a little bit less wet looking, and it has, it's a little less crunchy. It's still pretty crunchy though, but I really like it. It seems like it makes a lot of curl. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Share it on all your social media. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you haven't already. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!